Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to design your WP Forms PDF template, how to automatically generate PDF files from the submitted form data, how to attach these PDF files to users and admin email. Let me show you an example. So whenever a user submits a form from your website, you will receive this email form submission. Along with all the information, you will also receive this PDF file. So to enable this functionality, at begin we need to install and activate the plugin. On your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, add New Plugin. In the search bar, type WP Forms PDF. Scroll down, you will see the plugin by addons.org. Click Install Now. Activate the plugin. You can see it's already activated. After that, you navigate to the left sidebar, click on PDF template. Add new template. This is the template editor interface. Click on here, you will see some available templates you can import. But now we start with a blank page. First, we choose a form to gather value fields. This is the form that we've created before. Let's go through the form. Here is the form preview. Let's create a template for this form. Give the form title. Save. After saving, you will see all the fields here. It helps you create a template with all necessary information. Now navigate to Settings PDF to set various settings for the overall background. Adjust the DPI, choose the page orientation, select the size of the paper, choose the font style, adjust the size of the text, specify the font color, select a header or footer template, add text or image to display as the watermark. Input any custom CSS to style the document further. Choose the background color or background image. Choose options for background repeat, size, and position. Adjust the padding. Insert the first image for logo. You can upload it by choosing Field or choosing from your computer or media library. Center alignment. Change the size of image. Adjust the padding to remove some space. Below we insert a text for title. Make it bold and bigger. Center a text. Select the text color. Add more text. Next, insert a text for heading 1. After that, we add a table element to show attendee information. Here you can set rows and columns for table. Change the background header color and text color. Set the background color and text color for even and odd rows. Change the border color. Choose the border style. Choose whether to collapse or separate borders between adjacent cells. Set the alignment of text within cells, or adjust the padding and margin. Then input text into the table and enter shortcodes to insert the form fields. Continue adding text to insert the remaining fields. Insert one more text for contact information. Below that, we insert a QR code. In the QR code settings, set the desired content or shortcodes. Click Save and the QR code will appear. We will put an image for the upcoming event schedule below. And now we've completed creating the PDF template. Let's save and have a preview. Now we will integrate this PDF with the form to automatically generate the PDF file. Go to the form, Settings, PDF, Enable PDF. Choose the template we've created. Click on Default Notification to send PDF as an email attachment. Customize the template name. You can also set the password file or enable conditional logic. If you you want to create a second PDF for this form, click Add New PDF and fill in the same information as before. Here we only use one. Next, we go to Notification Settings, add Form Submitter email field. Correct the email subject. Let's save and test the form. We will fill out the form to verify that the data appears correctly in the generated PDF. Submit the form. Open the email to see what we received. Here we get two emails, one is for admin, one is for the submitter. Open this one to view. Along with our information, you receive this PDF attachment. As admin, you can go to the WP Forms entries to view and download PDF files. Choose the form name. Choose the form submission. View and download PDF file. This video ends here. Follow us to get new updates in the future. Thank you so much and have a nice day.